In this video, we will examine the Total Performance Diagnostic SEER report. When you log on to your Total Performance Diagnostic account, Total Performance displays the Diagnostic Report header. As a general rule, if you do not intend to use Total Performance Diagnostic's Client Report feature, the client, system information, and system portions of the header do not need to be completed. The one exception, however, is the SEER report, which does use the condenser and indoor fan fields. The condenser field provides for a single speed, two-speed, or variable speed selection. The indoor fan field provides for a permanent split capacitor or electronically communicating motor selection. Once you have made your condenser and indoor fan selections, click on the SEER box in the report section of the header. Total Performance Diagnostic presents a technician's SEER worksheet with its familiar readings in, results out format. We will not be using the CFM override and static pressure fields in this demonstration. Their unique use and purpose is covered in another video. The reading side of the worksheet is completed by entering the data collected from the cooling system into the data boxes located next to the designated reading. Let's start entering the readings and system data we have gathered. Nominal tons is 3 tons. The filter size is 24 by 20. Indoor unit voltage is 250 volts. Return wet bulb is 67.8. Supply wet bulb is 59.4. The outdoor ambient temperature is 98 degrees. Outdoor unit voltage is 248 volts. Outdoor fan amps are 1.2, compressor amps are 16.3, and the indoor fan amps are 2.6. Now, let's click on the Calculate Results button to calculate and display our results. The results are displayed using 4 columns. The first column lists the performance items being measured. The low and high columns display the minimum and maximum acceptable operating ranges. These ranges can be easily modified using Total Performance Diagnostic's Preference Modification menu. The actual column displays the calculated performance results for each item. The first and most important thing the service technician will probably notice is the cooling performance percentage. In this case, it's 98% of maximum capacity. But let's take a more in-depth, line-by-line examination of the SEER report. Our filter area low range is 3 square feet, and our actual filter area is 3.3 square feet. Our minimum acceptable cooling CFM is 1,050 cubic feet per minute, and our maximum cooling CFM is 1,200 cubic feet per minute. Total Performance Diagnostic assumes maximum CFM in its initial calculations. This number, however, can be easily changed using the CFM override feature when necessary. Our minimum acceptable cooling BTUs is set at 32,400, and our maximum acceptable cooling BTUs is set at 36,000. Total Performance Diagnostic uses a unique BTU adjustment algorithm that recalculates and displays BTU information at rated temperature conditions. This feature eliminates the confusion often caused by standard psychometric calculations. As a result, this system is, or rather would be, producing 35,385 BTUs at the rated temperature conditions. Nominal tonnage is simply a different value formatting for BTUs that is often easier for clients to understand or relate to. This system's actual nominal tonnage is 2.95 tons. The report information clients often find the most valuable, however, is the estimated SEER, estimated yearly cooling cost, and estimated annual savings. The estimated SEER low and high range information introduces and informs clients about the different levels of energy efficient equipment available. Then the actual SEER reading allows clients an opportunity to compare how their system stacks up in relation to other systems. This equipment is operating at 8.6 SEER, or below our established minimum, so it appears in red indicating an out-of-range condition. The estimated annual savings field represents the dollars wasted each year in operating low energy efficient equipment. Technicians can use this information to encourage clients to take the long-range view when making repair versus replacement decisions. For example, the penalty of operating this system when compared to a minimum 13 SEER system is going to be $420 a year, or $4,200 over the next 10 years. This is valuable information for clients making an important repair versus replacement decision. Clicking on the Save Report button at the bottom of the page will save, archive, display, and email the client report. Total Performance Diagnostics client report contains the same information as a technician's worksheet. However, the information is reformatted to present your company as a professional organization and to better communicate system performance to the client. Your clients will love the clarity and level of detail included in the client report.